everybody's gonna have to think really hard tonight, because tonight is the night where we make our first decision. There's a lot of factors to think about.
Ang boys na pag-usapan ng kanilang mabigat na task.
Kabado.
Kabado.
Nervous.
Kabado.
Stressful.
Stressful.
Stressful dito sa Pilipinas. many thinking. Like a feeling is very complicated po.
Matapos kumain ng hapunan ng housemates, nagkanya-kanya muna. At nabalot na ng katahimikan ang buong bahay.
Sobrang bigat po talaga. Tanggapin talaga namin na yun ang challenge, kuya. So, wala po kami magawa kundi paghandaan po. Kasi alam namin kahit kami, lahat kami may pangarap na pumasok dito. So, kailangan talaga unahin namin ang pangarap namin. Iset aside muna namin ang pagkakaibigan namin.
Ilang sandali pa, isa-isang kinuha ng housemates ang kanilang flags.
Laban!
Ang tawag yung ginagamit niyo?
Laban Gracia!
Sina Lou at Andre na pag-usapan ang paparating na paghamon.
Two girls. How's Mary Grace though, you two?
I know she's not distant.
Not distant pedo thinking?
Yes, thinking.
I can tell.
I have a feeling that she might go challenge me. I don't care.
Stay confident. Do
I'm
your best.
stronger.
Gagawin ang best.
Habang abala ang housemates,
First light. Ison. Guys. Yam. On. On na.
The light.
Gas.
It's a nice light though.
Hindi pa ako nakakapag-isip ng ano.
Pumapasok.
Yeah.
Wait.